if you think about it, I'm the ghost of Christmas past, present, and future.
Swipe right, My Little Pony, the Yowie meme. This feels like a brick, and it's just filled with tweets. It smells like a book. I think this is so cute. This is probably like one of the best things I've ever made. I still feel like it's not enough stuff. Let's all put our head and say that everything is fine. They love the Sylvanian family. Photo cards. Actual crack cocaine to mothers. This is actually the equivalent of me going, okay, for Christmas I promise to spend time with you. It's a fun little bit we have. Christmas sorted.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today, if you can't tell, this is a Christmas special. I know it's quite normal for people to do like what I got for Christmas kind of videos. Trust, I love watching them, but I have always felt weird, me personally, the idea of making them. I don't know why, but I am a massive gift giver. I love Christmas, if it isn't already obvious, and I take it incredibly seriously. So I thought it's way more up my street to show you guys what I got my friends. I know it might be a little bit too late to use this as a gift guide, but maybe there's some of you watching in 2026 that want to use this as inspiration, then here you go. Wait, if you think about it, I'm the ghost of Christmas past, present, and future, because you can watch this whenever. Okay, so without further ado, I do have quite a lot of gifts to get through. I'm just gonna kick right off. Let's start with Rowan.
Now, some of these, obviously, you're gonna know what they are because of my DIY gifts video. So let's start with the gifts I bought. At Portobello Market, there was a bunch of art stools, and I have this like mini sticker set. It's so cute, look at that. And I actually found this in a charity shop, which is awesome. It feels brand new. It's this like reading journal thing, and it has bookshelf, reading challenges, book reviews, which I think is really fun. This is just a solid gift. I think it's a really good idea too, and I like the gold. Next up, the Superman hoodie that I made in my DIY gifts video. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Like, it actually looked like the picture that I found. Next, let's do Meebs next. I will admit, okay, the rest of Meebs' presents haven't arrived yet. I'll start with this. We also made in the DIY gifts video. It's a little zine of the funniest Meebs tweets. My favorite thing about this is not just that it's handmade, because like that's cute, is how big it is for a zine. This feels like a brick, and it's just filled with tweets. It starts from 2021 all the way to 2025. So that's the handmade gift. Then I also got these socks. That just reminded me, I made both Meebs and Rosie these little keychains. They look like little creatures. Zine, keychain, socks. Oh my god, I was like, that doesn't feel like enough. I forgot the final thing. I haven't finished it yet, but I'm making one of those I love my boyfriend t-shirts with a picture of her and her boyfriend in the love heart. Yes, which I think is gonna be so cute. Next, let's do Iris. Okay, let's start with the new stuff so that you're not just staring at things that you already know. First off, from her Christmas list, I bought these two books. It smells good too. It smells like a book. It smells like book. And then she recently read The Power, finished it, loved it. I heard many info dump sessions about said book. And the author who wrote The Power wrote a Doctor Who book. If you don't know, massive Doctor Who fan, special interest in Summer 7, she's never seen it. So I'm rewatching it with her, and she's like, experiencing it for the first time ever. I know, every Doctor Who fan's like, wet dream. And so how perfect that the author that she loved wrote a Doctor Who book. Perfect combination, personally. And then I also have this like Pokemon washi tape. I bought this at a convention. She loves Pokemon, so I was like, finally, this is getting some use. Next, I got this from Tiger. I just thought it was silly. It's like a voucher book. It's stuff like, I owe you one apology, I owe you one favor of your choice, one afternoon adventure. This is perfect for her. And then the next two things I made in my DIY gifts video. We have this DIY loooooveee, no I'm kidding, this absolutely adorable cat creature thing. It's got charm on it. And when you lift up the scarf, it's got a heart. I think this is so cute. This is probably like one of the best things I've ever made. And then this is the incredible Chuya Rosette eater bag that she can either hang up in her room, put on a shelf, on a bag, don't know. It's kind of silly. Right. I'm so bad at Christmas because talking through it, I still feel like it's not enough stuff. Like at some point I do need to stop. If you're like me, look, stop. It gets to a point where if you keep telling yourself, oh my god, it's not enough stuff, I'm gonna get more stuff, the other person who has more self-control than you has stopped buying stuff. And so when you inevitably exchange gifts and the other person has not got nearly as much stuff as you, because to think that you need to showcase how much you actually love them by accumulating a number of gifts, they're going to be thinking, wow, I didn't get enough. So in the effort to show how much you love them, you've accidentally created an existential pit of hell for both of you. So hey, let's all put our head and say that everything is fine. Let's do Austin next. So Austin is one of the people that has a clay craft from the last video. I have them with me, they're in the office. Imagine this picture. I bought this journal. Austin likes taking photos and Austin likes printing said photos. 1 photo a day for 100 days. Austin is always complaining about, okay, what? Austin's always saying they don't have enough mugs. So here's a good old gigantic tea/coffee/alcoholic beverage mug, and it's Christmassy. And I also found this in a charity shop too, and he loves Miffy. Are you kidding? Yeah, I'm the best. And then I also decided that that wasn't enough and I was gonna make something else. I made this silly little keychain. Great thing about going to K-pop concerts is you will end up with so many of these little bags from freebies. Ta-da! It is Twipi, My Little Pony, the Yowie meme. Yeah, that is Austin. Next, well, we just did Austin, so let's do Sasha now. I just got Sasha this. Haha. Just kidding. They like moths, so I got a moth makeup bag from Vinted. And then I got them Sylvanian families. They love Sylvanian families. And then also on Vinted, I got these 2 moth necklaces. And then also I made them some photo cards. So we have Bibi Doobie, we have an Atlas moth, Bibi Bridges, Laura P. Cat. That's Sasha done. That's all my friends. Wow. Let's do family. Let's start with my mum. Okay, so the cutting mat that I'm always using in videos is actually hers, and I've basically ruined it from all of my crafting and I don't take care of it. So I'm buying her a new, I bought her a new one. And then in this box, we have fancy schmancy, actual crack cocaine to mothers, bath stuff. Enjoy that. And then this was in the last video, so you already know. For Dad, I got him, well, made him this. Wow. And of course, as usual, the music making coupon. This is actually the equivalent of me going, okay, for Christmas, I promise to spend time with you. But it's just a fun little bit we have. It's our banter. Next is my sister. This hasn't actually arrived yet. She wanted this like silk shower cap thing. My sister, also autistic, she sends a list, you buy something from the list, everyone's happy. But then I did also got her this bath bomb from Lush, because she loves Snow Fairy. I mean, who doesn't? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, let me tell the story of how I did this. As a kid, I always hated how the Lush employees talk to you. It's not Walmart. We're in the UK, we don't talk to each other. But as I've grown up, I've come to really appreciate them. I don't have any time anymore and I hate making decisions. So I walk into Lush and they're like, hey, the only shop I will take my headphones off in. And I go, hey, and she's like, what are we looking for today? And I say, I'm looking for a Christmas present for my sister. She's like running off her like NPC script. Well, we have gift sets over here. Do you know what she's like? Do you know if she would want something specifically Christmassy? Does she have a specific scent? And I was like, just like a bath bomb or something. We walk around the shop and she goes, we have this, smell it, no, we have this, smell it, oh, we have the Snow Fairy. And suddenly I'm like, ding, ding, ding. Oh, yes, she likes Snow Fairy. But I'm pretty sure the entire collection is on her list already, so she's probably already got it. She starts to put it back. And I go, no. Listen, if you got this twice for Christmas, would you like be annoyed or would you be fine because you like Snow Fairy? That like broke her programming and she was like, well, yeah, I guess, no, I wouldn't be pissed. I was like, cool, I'll just get that then. Christmas sorted. And actually, is that Christmas sorted? Oh, awesome. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I hope you guys have had a great year. I definitely have. Thank you so much for all of the love this year. We went from to... which is kind of mad. And if you haven't already decided to join the Fluffle, then why not? Subscribe, join the Discord, hang out with us on Twitch. It's fun over there. And if you have any leftover Christmas money, why not spend some of it on the shop? Come on, I know you want to. I've got some stuff on there. Go have a look. I will see you guys in the new year. That's it. Peace out, 2025. You've been awesome. Bye.